Nice. Folks, I don't believe it. A Singapore Airlines 747 freighter. Is this the one we caught, when did we caught that? Oh, over the Christmas holiday last year, didn't we? We caught that the other work there, the other week, other week. Nice, she's a beautiful aircraft. Chris or Max Woodman, are you back shouting again? No, well, I'm going to stop it all the time now because it's affecting the viewers. So, and it might affect other people as well. So yeah, that's all that's going to happen. Yes. There we go. Oh, I'm going to turn off the lamp. Turn off the lamp. Turn off the light. Oh, it's bad out there, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Sorry, folks. I'm screaming here. Come on. We've got some fit planes to watch. Oh, the Singapore freighter is about highest now. Okay. Yeah, my ear will be alright. Oh, jeez. Mate, I nearly took a tumble. Right, let's go to Jetstream. Jetstream? This one? Day 30? Okay. Oh, yes. No, Chris Rod. MD. Oh, a Mad Dog coming out next, ladies and gentlemen. Mad Dog's coming out next. Mad Dog. Come on, this is going to be screaming as hell. Well, Mad Dog's alright, isn't it? Is it Mad Dog? Mad Dog. If they're doing a bit for Mad Dog.